Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to get into a little bit of exercise that I do on the side to keep me busy and to keep my mind busy. Also what I eat before and after I do my exercise. But today I just want to share a little bit of what I do, how I prepare, and how am I doing this quarantine, and how do I keep myself busy and stuff like that. So let's get into it. I usually like to work out outside, or I'll, go to the gym. But lately, as you know, the things have been shut down. But I'm going to share about my little workout that I have going on now, and what I eat before and what I eat after. Usually, I eat something very small, but after my workout, I eat something pretty big. So I'm going to go into what I've done. I do want to be able to do a little bit of photo shoots inside, because I kind of have like the lighting. I know exactly what the lighting is. I kind of did it old school, so. But I think next video, I would like to share with you guys about, how am I gonna get this modeling kicking up and started and stuff like that. Yeah, hopefully you guys stay in tune with me, and let's get into it. Let's go to the kitchen, honey. Yeah? Let's go to the kitchen. This is my daughter, little toys and stuff is all back there. Can we go to the kitchen? Let's go to the kitchen. What you doing by the door? Come on, the kitchen's this way. For hardships, definitely need some great wine. That is really good. I like to drink that stuff. Yes, I do. thank you guys for watching. Sorry if I had to cut it short. My camera was going in and out. This is what I was talking about. This is my milkshake. Well, it's my protein shake, and the protein that I use is this one. So yeah, I made this with water, 1% milk, and also water milk and protein shake. I put a little strawberries in it because I like the flavor of it. But yeah, that's all. Remember, whatever you're going through, you're not through it alone. Try to find something to do. Try to keep your mind occupied. Just try to get into a rhythm. Take your mind off of it. Yeah, and once that starts kicking, you forget about everything. Right now, I forgot about the situation. I kind of put myself in a type of predicament to where I'm able to control, my feelings, stuff like that. Try not to let this get the best of me because it could be worse. But thank you guys for watching my channel, and see you next time. Make sure you subscribe, and I will have my Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, all that down in the description below. Make sure you follow those accounts, and please subscribe me. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.